Fellas, we have the big red Bosch drill and GSR 18B, and this one is a little bit slow, but I can see that I cannot press the switch all the way down, and it's full of, I don't know, insulation or something. Okay, let's open it to check. Okay, and what can we see here? You can, okay, we can find a lot of things here, and the FY. Okay. Okay. And basically I think that's all our problem here. Okay, yeah, that was nice. What can I say? And this nice piece, okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, this one can be closed good. This one can't be closed, so okay. Now I have in place, I think. Let's double check it. Nope. Seems to do. Now it's nice. around the angle that I hope you can see the tool, so we'll adjust it after this video. Okay, do we have tool? We have tool, and we have it on the full speed. We have the insulation coming out. Okay, we'll blow it out with the compressed air. We have insulation from all the way here, so okay, it's nice. Okay, basically it's working. We'll blow it out, and that will be all. Thumbs up, bye.